That continuation might include further direct examination of this very witness who was not dismissed today. They might spring as a surprise, as they did before, another witness. There might be few objections. I expect surprises to occur. But if time permits, I also expect us to begin our cross-examination of the witness who testified today to test his veracity. Under videos of Nnamdi Kanu's broadcasts, some of his telephone interview with people in the course of pursuit for the independence of Biafra. And some of the videos he tendered constituted when the period ESN was launched.
Do you know how many people that have lost their life because Nnamdi Kanu has been detained in the East? Do you know how the crisis and everything? Those lives will have been saved.
The High Court in Abuja yesterday aired out the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, admitted operating an illegal radio station and inciting the public to attack public officers. What do you think about this?
Yes, depending on your time zone and location, Tata the deal day, the 8th day of May 2025. Tata case Nnamdi Kanu with the Nigerian government cardinal courts got come to an end, according to what Justice Omotosho James Sukuru during the first day in the hearing that on 8th Tata. Now I gotta bring this case to an end. So Biafrans, for this video from or it's your first time of coming across my video, I gonna with you updates from what is going to happen in court today. In fact, from what I am hearing, updates and keep no total but Nnamdi Kanu what judge said that this hearing and they may now the proceedings according a live stream since now that I made the last day. Nnamdi Kanu sin choka this case any stream yaka people now for what is really happening inside the court. So the possible like that, I will still bring you guys updates. But for today, I will a series of videos I like you could watch here. First of all, from this legal team, Nnamdi Kanu, Aloy Ejima Kokoro and some other judge and sons that is actually standing for Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to watch this video. Then you want to see this video. Then please an interview Vanguard News made yesterday. Couldn't know the reactions of people. Couldn't know what was said inside this video. Open a PCI, drop one opinion in the comment section. To start the video so that others they will quite na the updates and the proceedings go sinaga. I will bring you guys another update shortly. That particular video and broadcast Ndebia testify against Nnamdi Kanu with that. The video, the particular video. I will bring you guys the video shortly after this video. So watch this particular video from beginning to the end. Is to start the video can also before the updates. Watch the video, guys. I'll be right back.
Under videos of Nnamdi Kanu's broadcasts, some of his telephone interview with people in the course of pursuit for the independence of Biafra. And some of the videos he tendered constituted when the period ESN was launched. And it's critical at this point that we mention that he stated vividly in that video that ESN is not a military arm of IPOB, but a vigilante group in the line with Amotekun and other vigilante services that are operational within the country called Nigeria. He also tendered video evidence where Nnamdi Kanu was expressing the disappointment he felt with respect to the allowance of the terrorist organizations from the Sahel into Yoruba regions and into some parts of Nigeria. He tendered also conversations between Nnamdi Kanu and other people where in a question and answer section interview, part of the interview they tendered allegedly is his interview during the NSAS protests. So those are some of the interviews, videos they played in court, and we listened to it. The defendant, the witness has not finished giving evidence. He's most likely going to finish tomorrow. So having tendered the statements and the videos, the prosecution sought for an adjournment, which the court granted. We don't have objection to that. The court granted it, and we are hoping that by tomorrow the interview, examination in chief should end to give us time to now cross-examine the gentleman who came to give that evidence. So that is where we are. we thank God for everything. We're also happy with all the videos that were played. You know, we are happy with all the videos that were played. Don't worry, those videos constitute or shows a lot of things. You know, that Nnamdi Kanu may not really be who or what the federal government thinks he is. So that is just a brief summary of all that transpired in court today.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Barrister Ejimako, could you tell us, in the light of this, what are we to expect tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow is for continuation of hearing. That continuation might include further direct examination of this very witness who was not dismissed today. They might spring as a surprise, as they did before, another witness. There might be few objections. I expect surprises to occur. But if time permits, I also expect us to begin our cross-examination of the witness who testified today to test his veracity, and to also formalize the objections we raised on the record today against some of the videos and audios that were introduced into evidence today.
All right. Okay, we look forward to tomorrow then.
Yeah, we look forward to tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless freedom fighters all over the world.
Do you know how many people that have lost their life because Nnamdi Kanu has been detained in the East? Do you know how the crisis and everything? Those lives will have been saved.
High Court in Abuja yesterday heard how the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, admitted operating an illegal radio station and inciting the public to attack public officers. What do you think about this admission?
That's the part. It's even linked with the issue of security we are talking. Any problem you can solve politically, please solve it. This country is having more than enough problem. Nnamdi Kanu and the East, Southeastern, I have given direction on how it can be solved politically. In fact, publish strategy of resolving Southeast problem and take it off from all this going up and down, the Nnamdi Kanu and federal government and everything. Resolve the problem. You will be solving enough security challenges if you go political way to broker peace, and then let everyone embrace peace. And I'm talking of peace that is rooted in justice, particularly social justice, so that people understand that we have a country that is called Nigeria. But when you put a particular part of a country on the wage of non-commitment to nationalism, you have yourself to blame for it. Nigerians, you can't be opening crisis and violence on all direction, firing in your cylinders. You must have a way. The one that you have to fight physically, you fight physically. The one you have to resolve through consensus building, through reconciliation, through give and take. Then you resolve that, and then you narrow the space of your insecurity. But we are not committed to anything. What is going to be the outcome? It's enough. We should solve problems. Leaders are solved. So let us think out of the box how we can resolve the one that we are. Do you know how many people that have lost their life because Nnamdi Kanu has been detained in the East? Do you know how the crisis and everything? Those lives will have been saved if we are thinking of a broader and wider sense of justice, and by taking the other route and not necessarily the legal route alone.
So at
the end of the day, even if
are you saying it should be allowed to go?
Hello, it's not about allowed to go. It's about making commitment. What are people that cause war? When they come to a round table to address the war, even if you sentence Nnamdi Kanu to death today and they actually kill him, it's not going to bring back those that are being killed, but it can save further life loss if it is done with concession from both sides. It is not. Do you know how many Nigerians who are not even Igbo that have gone with this violence simply because they are moving from Port Harcourt to Aba or elsewhere? Do you know the quantum of economy that has been lost because of shutting down Monday in the southeast. So you are going to weigh your option as table. And I want to ask you a question now. How many of the Boko Haram people have been brought to book? How many are in court now? Those that are killing every day, and yet you are doing nothing about that. And you can't stop it. And you can't protect or defend Nigeria. So I don't give a damn of what becomes of Nnamdi Kanu in the end. But what I give damn of is what becomes ordinary people that did not commit any sin, but have to die because of indiscretion of what to do about the particular situation, a crisis situation. So that is my concern. It's not about Nnamdi Kanu. It's about other Nigerians that are recklessly being killed, recklessly being denied their means of livelihood, or even attending to their businesses in the southeast part of Nigeria, another part of Nigeria. So it's not even about him. Personally, I don't like his approach. I don't like him and everything. But you have to juxtapose it with everything that is going on in Nigeria. Which one have they solved now? Since didn't they say they killed Shekau? But many Shekauers are listening today. So what is the benefit of killing Shekau? If we can stop war, we should stop war rather than allowing to. There's nothing to prove. There's nothing to prove. And like the philosopher said, war, no violence. We answer the question of who is right.